How to delete Xbox account permanently. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to permanently delete your Xbox account. If you're sure you no longer need your account, follow along and I'll walk you through every step. Before we get started, it's important to note that deleting your Xbox account is a permanent action. Once you delete your account, you'll lose access to all your Xbox Live services, including any subscriptions like Xbox Pass or Xbox Live Gold, as well as all your saved games and purchases. To delete your Xbox account, you'll need to sign into your Microsoft account. After that, log in with the same email and password you use for Xbox. Make sure you're using the account associated with your Xbox profile. Once you're logged in, simply click on your info. Next, you'll navigate to the Manage Your Account section. There you can simply click on Close My Account. This will take you to the page where you can begin the deletion process. After that, simply on the account closure page, Microsoft will ask you to verify your identity, so you may need to enter a security code sent to your email or phone. Once your identity is verified, you can simply begin the process of deleting, and that's it. That's how you simply delete your Xbox account. Now, Microsoft doesn't delete your account immediately as well, so they'll place your account in a 30-day grace period. During this time, your account is in a pending closure state, which gives you time to change your mind. If you log back into your account during these 30 days, you can cancel the deletion process and recover your account. After the 30-day grace period, your Xbox account will be permanently deleted along with any associated data.